Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to congratulate Lawrence Holman for the winner of the 200 sub giveaway for the iPhone XS Max 256 gig. Congratulations, bro. The rules where I'm going to be posting a similar video on Sneed Mobile Tech and on RFK Tech, and you're going to have to like the video on all three platforms. And come win a phone. But if you're just doing it to win the phone and then unsubscribe once you win the phone, then please, we're cool, man. You know, we want a real community here, and I appreciate everything this community has done so far. Months of prepaid service of your choice with the flagship device. So when we hit 1,000 mark, 3 months prepaid with that flagship. On this one, it's going to be the iPhone XS Max. And also, when you do subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, thank you guys.